To clean your vehicle's spark plugs, first disconnect the negative cable from your vehicle's battery. Then, locate the 4 to 6 spark plug covers, called boots, located at the top of your engine. Slide the cables out of each boot by hand, then wipe the surface of the boots with a dry, clean cloth to knock off any dust or surface debris. Next, grab a can of compressed air and spray it over the area to blow any loosened grime away. To remove the first boot, pull it gently out of the port by hand. Grab a socket wrench with an extension on the end and slide it down into the port that the boot was blocking. Rotate the wrench counterclockwise and loosen the spark plug until you don't feel any resistance. Then, pull the spark plug out with a socket wrench. Grab a sheet of 220 grit sandpaper and gently scrape the electrode at the end of the spark plug until it looks like bare metal. Next, gently brush the threading and electrode with a wire brush. Finally, spray the spark plug with a brake cleaner and wipe the entire component with a clean rag. Reinsert the spark plug and tighten it with the socket wrench by twisting clockwise. Repeat this process for the remaining spark plugs located under the other covers on your engine.